I found a great Thunderbolt 3 docking station. It has all the ports I ever need for my new M1 Macbook Air and more. Hi, this is David of Tech for Baba, a channel I share my experiences on how technology enhances my time with kids and family as a dad. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing. In today's video, I'll go over the feature of this Anker Elite Thunderbolt 3 docking station and see why this is now my favorite docking station. Since Apple has been giving us only 4 or just 2 Thunderbolt ports on laptops for connectivity and power, we're all used to dongles by now. This dock has all the ports I ever need for my new M1 Macbook Air. It also works well with my 16-inch MacBook Pro and my Dell Windows laptop. It comes in a rather simple box. In the box, there is the docking station, of course, the quick start guide. Underneath, Anker includes a Thunderbolt 3 cable and a rather large power supply for a good reason. More on that reason later. This is one of the better looking docks I've come across. It's compact and solid. It has brushed aluminum all the way around, lighter color on the edges and darker color on the sides. Very nice looking and functional in dissipating heat. On the bottom, there's a big rubber feet, so the dock doesn't slide around on the desk. Besides the way it looks, what's even more important to me is all the ports this dock has. In the front, there's a good old USB-A port, 2 USB 3.1 Gen 2 USB-C ports, which can go up to 10 gigabit per second. This one on the bottom also supports power delivery up to 18 watts. That's very convenient for charging any USB-C devices. There's also an audio in and out port, and high-speed SD and micro SD card readers. Lastly, there's a power button, which I haven't seen on too many docks. I like how these particular ports are in the front, so I can easily use them for devices that I plug in and out frequently. In the back, there is the power supply input, a gigabit Ethernet port, 3 USB-A ports great for lower speed devices like a keyboard or a mouse, a HDMI port, and lastly 2 USB-C Thunderbolt 3 ports, one of which would connect to a host laptop. The other can go to a high-speed Thunderbolt drive or display up to 5K 60 Hz. What's great is the connected laptop can be charged up to 85 watts at the same time. That's why the power adapter for this dock is so large. I do wish it would charge up to 96 watts for my 16-inch MacBook Pro though. It still charges it, just slower than Apple's 96 watt power supply. 85 watts, however, is more than enough for smaller laptops like the M1 Macbook Air or Pro. It's great that I can now use the original adapters as spares I keep in my bags or elsewhere in the house. I also like this HDMI port, which supports up to a 4K 60 Hz monitor. It allows the dock to connect to 2 monitors if the host laptop supports it. Here I have my M1 MacBook Air connected to one of the Thunderbolt ports on the dock. The other Thunderbolt 3 port is connected to my QNAP Thunderbolt NAS drive for fast storage. The HDMI port is connected to my 4K 60 Hz monitor. I also have the Ethernet cable and my mouse receiver connected in the back. My Thunderbolt NAS and Samsung SSD drive transfer just as fast connected to the dock as connected directly to the MacBook's Thunderbolt 3 port. The SD card reader in the front also supports my UHS 2 cards at full speed. What I love about having this dock is with just one wire, I'm charging my MacBook connected to a 32-inch 4K monitor, fast NAS drives, Ethernet, headphones, and card readers all at the same time. Again, just with this one wire. Even better, I can simply share all these connections and peripherals between my MacBook Air, 16-inch MacBook Pro, and a Dell Windows laptop from work by switching just this one wire. At $249 US, this dock costs about the same as similar full-feature Thunderbolt 3 docks. There's a discount from time to time in the links I'll put down in the description. There's certainly cheaper docks or simpler dongles, but they do not have high-speed Thunderbolt 3 ports that can also charge the host laptop. Aside from wishing for higher 96 watt charging for my 16-inch MacBook Pro, this dock has all the ports I ever need. Check it out if you're also looking for a dock to do it all. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please also help me out by hitting the like button and sharing this video with others. I'd love to hear what dongles or docks you're using with your MacBooks or laptops in the comments below. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and turn on the bell to be notified when I put out my next video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, cherish each moment.